Well, good afternoon. This is our afternoon update here on the 9th of November. Crop report came out today. Exports came out today. A lot of activity, a lot of news, but in the end result was that soybeans and corn closed lower, cotton closed lower, although just before the crop report came out, we had the cotton market up 56, soybeans up 5.5, corn down a quarter. It looks like cotton is going to be closing down 31 at 68.32, a high of 69.48, a low of 68.18. March cotton down 29 at 68.57. What did the crop report show? Well, there was pretty universal consensus that we were going to see the crop lowered in the U.S. In fact, probably 200,000 bales. In fact, we saw just the opposite. It was increased again. And so the analyst proved to be wrong in coming up with these numbers. The crop production was 21.4 million bales. They thought it was going to be 20.9. Carryout was increased. They thought it was going to be 5.6 million bales. It was 6.1 million bales. And the world numbers were adjusted down because they came up with beginning stocks had been reduced. That's the reason the world stocks carryout was reduced, because of some past numbers that they made adjustments for. So market had a difficult time with that and reacted as you would expect. Looking at soybeans, corn, and wheat, the soybean market was up 5.5 before the report came out. It's going to close down 13.5, 384.75, a high of, I'm looking at the wrong handle there. It's going to be 984.75. Down 13.5, a high of 10.08 a low of 983.5. Corn down 6.5, 341.75. It was just before the report came out, down 1/4 cent. A high of 349.75, a low of 340.75. In both cases, production was increased. Based on estimates, the number was higher than the market had anticipated. Therefore, carryout was also increased, surprised the market at least a little bit, and the market sold off. Wheat up 2.75 at 429.5, a high of 432, a low of 423.75. Wheat was up 2.25 just before the report, and it's going to close pretty close to that. Dollar down 37, crude oil up 48 cents a barrel, gold up $3 an ounce, silver down 15 cents an ounce, and the Dow Jones right now is down 120. Some difficulties are being reported with Trump's tax package being able to make it through the House and Senate as is. There could be some changes, and the market does not like what it's hearing, and that's the reason the stock market is sold off and the dollar is sold off. We'll see if they can kind of clear up that news by tomorrow morning, and we'll try to report on what we're hearing. That's it. Busy day today. We'll talk to you later. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.